welcome to this video. Uh, I'll be explaining HTML paragraphs, and a paragraph always starts on a new line, as we all know in normal language conventions when writing, and it is usually a block of text. And the HTML element defines a paragraph, and a paragraph always starts on a new line, and browsers automatically add some space, which is a white space, which is a margin before and after a paragraph. And you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. For example, this paragraph element, like the user is trying to write this paragraph and trying to go to a new line, and writing contains a lot of lines in the source, like in different line. But this is not how it's going to appear in the browser. Like, since is under a paragraph tag, a paragraph element is going to be inline, and there's not going to be extra spaces or margins that will be added to it. Also, this paragraph, and the user is trying to add a lot of spaces, like between paragraph and contains, also with contains and a lot. So this paragraph, these spaces, these white spaces in the middle of them, these elements, like, could be ignored. Like, instead, the browser will see it as this paragraph, just, and instead of trying to go to a new line or adding like 10 spaces, it's just going to leave a space, like just a normal space, like you do while typing or using the Microsoft Word, like using Microsoft Word to type a document. And also, you have to take note of the HTML horizontal rules. So the horizontal, the HR tag defines a thematic break in a HTML page, and is most often displayed as a horizontal line. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. Also, the HTML tag is an empty tag, which means it doesn't have a closing tag. And there is also HTML line breaks. So the HTML BR element defines a line break. Use BR if you want a line break or a new line without starting a new paragraph. So this is an example, like a paragraph element, and inside the paragraph elements there is a page break tag defining that, okay, this is the that means that, like, this a paragraph should be on a new line on the browser. Okay, for example, now, like, p my ponies my ponies lies over the ocean, my ponies lies over the sea. Like, you can edit it, like, so normally this should appear like my ponies lie over the ocean, like right after the next word. But by adding a line break, you should be able to make them go on a new line while you're while on the browser. So I'll be using some examples here. So this is a p tag, and I'll just say this is an example of a speech sentence in English language, and I am writing this in an HTML paragraph tag. Okay, Okay, so this is how your p tag this is how your paragraph should look like on in an HTML file. So I'll be showing. Okay, let me fetch. Okay, so this is your HTML. This is your HTML tag, and this is your paragraph tag, right? So and also I'll try and illustrate what page break and horizontal line break means. So let's me use this as an example. Like Mary has a little lamb, and little lamb, little lamb, little lamb, oh little lamb. Mary has a little lamb. Okay, let me try and add this command. So okay, normally I expect this I expect this sentence, this paragraph to appear like the way I wrote it here on the in my VS Code. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So you can see, like, instead of going to a new line, like it just continues from like from the comma, like after the comma, right after the comma, it just continues on that same line. So um to do away with that, we use br, we use page break, we use page break. um let's try page break, another page break, another page break. Okay, another page break, and I think that's all. So let's see what happened now. You can see now it's not looking more like what we expect it to be. So and also the horizontal line is like a line that is going to be drawn, like to demarcate between two sentences, or let's say a section. So I'll be putting the HR right after the the p tag. So let's see. Oh, you can see. So this is the horizontal line, and this is the p tag. So I think that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.